Hello, so today we're gonna use Silver Bottox Expert. It's a thermo multi-control mask. So we're gonna use it and you will see how it's easy. But anyway, my hair needed. So before we started, we have to wash her as usual with shampoo and dry. So it's not like conditioner that you're putting on the damp hair or even wet. Just you need to completely dry your hair. And we do some sections to have easy way to do it. It depends how thick. I have thick hair, so I should do at least 6 sections. Okay, we can start application. So, almost done. Top. So, from time when you cover all of your hair, you need 30, 45 minutes. It depends on your hair needs, but it's around 30-45 minutes to keep it on. Then rinse as normal, as dry, and you will see how strong, soft they will be. Okay, then I have all done. I dry it. Strong, healthy, frizz free. Yeah, soft and deep hydrated. Oh, I love it.